Hi, you ever feel like your body just doesn't want to burn fat anymore? Like you're doing the workouts, eating right, but that stubborn weight just won't move? What if I told you the issue might not be what you're doing, but what's happening inside your cells? Today, we're diving into a supplement that's making serious waves in the metabolism world, MITOLYN. Let's break it down. Okay, real talk, I was feeling off. Low energy, constant mental fog, and yeah, that belly fat wasn't budging. I wasn't overeating, I was working out, but my metabolism felt broken. That's when I came across something interesting: the role of mitochondria in both energy production and fat burning. Enter MITOLYN, a supplement designed to support your mitochondria, which are basically your body's internal engines. If they're running slow, so are you. So, what exactly is MITOLYN? It's a blend of 6 rare natural nutrients specifically formulated to help your body do what it's supposed to: burn fat, produce energy, stay focused. It's not a fat burner in the traditional sense. No stimulants, no jitters. This is about fixing the engine, not revving it with caffeine. That's what makes it different and honestly way more effective long term. Let's talk about what's inside MITOLYN that makes it a real metabolism booster. Maqui berry, a super antioxidant from Patagonia that improves mitochondrial health and circulation. Better blood flow, better fat transport, better fat burn. Rhodiola helps regulate stress, which is a huge blocker for fat loss. When cortisol's high, your body holds on to fat. Hematococcus, packed with astaxanthin, which helps with recovery, joint health, and overall stamina, key if you're active. Amla fruit supports digestion and liver detox, both critical for healthy metabolism. Theobroma cacao, yes, chocolate, the healthy kind, enhances mood, circulation, and even insulin sensitivity. Schisandra helps your body adapt to stress and boosts endurance. Put these together and what you get is a cleaner, more efficient metabolic system. So I've been using MITOLYN for about a month. What I noticed most? My energy was way more stable, no more 3 p.m. crashes. I started sleeping better. And yeah, the belly fat started dropping slowly but noticeably. It's not a magic overnight result, but it felt like my body was finally working with me instead of against me. MITOLYN is perfect if you are over 30 and starting to feel that slowdown, are stuck at a weight plateau, feel tired despite sleeping enough, are looking for a more natural way to burn fat without the stimulants. But hey, it's not a miracle pill. You've still got to eat smart and move your body. But when your metabolism is running right, everything else gets easier. So what's the real deal here? Natural, stimulant-free formula targets the root of slow metabolism, mitochondrial dysfunction, helps with energy, mental clarity, and fat loss. Made in the USA. Downsides: you need to be consistent. This isn't a one-week fix. It's only available online, no retail stores. But in my opinion, worth it. You're not just masking the problem, you're fixing it. So if your body's been feeling sluggish, if fat's hanging on no matter what you do, MITOLYN might just be the reset button your metabolism needs. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out for yourself. And hey, if this helped you, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe for more no BS supplement reviews, and let me know in the comments what you use for energy or fat loss. Catch you in the next one.